Hi everyone, I'm Patrina Loh, a banker turned chef. In this two-part series, I'm going to be sharing with you how I can combine my knowledge from my first career with my passion for food to teach you the basics of investing through cooking. In the first episode, we learned about the concept of risk. But today, we're going to be learning about the most important asset in investing, which is time, and really how to manage it better. And we'll be learning how to cook the beef cheek stew together. So here we have the ingredients for the beef cheek stew. I also like to add in some Chinese herbs for nourishment and a balance of East meets West. When it comes to stock, you can either make your own or just buy one. Now let's prep everything. Cut beef cheeks in half. Season and oil the beef. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sear the beef. You just need to brown it on all sides. Remove from pan and set aside. Next, chop up all the vegetables. There are 2 ways to cook this beef cheek, either to braise it or to pressure cook it. Braising is really one of my favorite cooking techniques because it is so simple yet it produces an amazing flavor. You just add the beef, you add some aromatic vegetables like onions and leeks, a little bit of stock and red wine, and you're good to go. Brown the vegetables in a heated Dutch oven with a little tomato paste. Add the Chinese herbs if you have them. Leave it for 1 minute. Then add the seared beef. Next, in goes 700 ml of stock and 700 ml of red wine. Season with salt and black pepper. The key to a great braise is really just knowing how much time you have to work with. It's the same with investments. Before you invest, always think about how much time you are able and willing to put in. Speaking as a chef, the more time you have, the better, because you have room for checks and balances, and you really allow the meat to break down and the ingredients to infuse into it. Risk here is minimized because you have the necessary time and leeway to check, adjust, and rebalance flavors as the beef cheek cooks over time, the way you'd be able to do with an investment portfolio. On the other hand, maybe you don't have much time, so you need a quicker approach for quicker results. You can still cook the same dish but with a pressure cooker to shorten the cooking time. The caveat with this is it's riskier. Once you've got all your ingredients in, the lid is on, you cannot check on it till the time's up. If you plan on investing for a shorter period of time, it's important to consult your relationship manager beforehand to avoid making hasty decisions that could affect your returns. So remember, the key to investing isn't the amount of money you put in, but really the time you have to manage and balance your portfolio.